Imagine this. You're driving home after a long day. You're obeying every traffic rule, and then bam! Someone runs a red light and smashes right into you. Your car's wrecked. You're hurt. And then you find out they don't have insurance. Now what? This is where uninsured motorist coverage becomes your financial superhero. So, what exactly is uninsured motorist coverage, and how does it work? Stay with me for the next few minutes, because this is one of those things you'll wish you knew before an accident happens. Let's get the basics down. Uninsured motorist coverage, often shortened to UM, steps in when the at-fault driver doesn't have any car insurance. Yep, it covers your damages and injuries when they were supposed to have insurance but didn't. Now, in some states, it's required. In others, it's optional. But here's the thing. Around 1 in 8 drivers in the US is uninsured. That means if you're in a crash, there's a good chance the person who hit you can't afford to pay for your medical bills or car repairs. UM coverage has your back in 2 ways: bodily injury and property damage. Let's say you suffer whiplash, a concussion, or worse, and the other driver has 0 insurance. UM bodily injury coverage pays for your medical bills, lost wages, and sometimes even pain and suffering. Now, if your car is totaled and the person responsible can't cover it, uninsured motorist property damage covers the cost to repair or replace your vehicle. Sounds simple enough, right? But there's more. Some states also offer underinsured motorist coverage, or UIM. This kicks in when the at-fault driver does have insurance, but not enough to cover all your damages. In that case, your UIM policy fills in the financial gap. Here's a real-life example. Let's say you're in a crash and your medical bills hit $50,000. The other driver only has $25,000 in liability coverage. Without UIM, you're eating the rest. But with it, your policy pays the difference. Now you might be wondering, how much coverage should I get? Well, most experts recommend getting at least the same limits as your liability coverage. So, if your liability coverage is $100,000, get the same for It's usually affordable, and it could literally save your financial future. And what about deductibles? For bodily injury claims, there's usually no deductible. But for property damage, you might have to pay one, depending on your state and policy. Still wondering if it's worth it? Let me ask you this. Can you afford to pay thousands of dollars in medical bills or fix your car out of pocket because someone else broke the law? If not, then uninsured motorist coverage is not optional. It's essential. Oh, and don't assume your state's minimum coverage is enough. Medical costs and car repair prices are rising fast. You want enough coverage to handle a real accident, not just the bare minimum. So here's the bottom line. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you when someone else drops the ball. It's affordable, it's smart, and it fills in the gap when the other driver can't pay for the damage they caused. Don't wait until it's too late to understand this. Review your policy today. And if you don't have or UIM coverage, now's the time to talk to your insurance agent. If this helped clear things up, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and join the InsurLab family.